Thanks. And now we're going to the two next original pieces of mine. The first one is called Violet, and it's kind of an atmospheric, let's say, vibration of the melodic summer or something like that. So that was inspired when I composed it in June, a couple of years ago. And it's Violet is a flower, it can be a name. And the second one is called Clocks. And this song I composed inspired by the concept that we need always time. And love takes time, and it's about love, of course, but also that the time is not unlimited. So that's kind of the inspiration behind that.